Scholastic Audio presents Escape from Shudder Mansion, a Goosebumps Slappy World story by R.L. Stine, read by Matt Braver, with Joe Freya as Slappy.
Slappy here, everyone! Welcome to my world! Yes, it's Slappy World! You're only screaming in it. You know, being a living evil dummy is a tough job. But someone's gotta do it. And who does it better than me? I only wish I had longer arms. Then I could pat myself on the back. Hey, I'm going to a party tonight. Know why I get invited to so many parties? Because I'm a scream! But don't call me dummy. My IQ is so high, you have to climb a ladder to read it. I don't want to brag. I have faults just like anyone else. Know my biggest fault? I'm too awesome! Now, here's a story that will haunt you. That's because it's about a haunted house. Riley Shiner knows it's a house of monsters and evil spirits. But he and his twin sister, Scarlet, decide to spend the night there anyway. Just think of all the scary things that could happen to them. Actually, you don't have to think about them, because I'm going to tell them all to you in gruesome detail. I call this story Escape from Shudder Mansion. But the title is a lie, because there is no escape. It's just one more terrifying tale from Slappy World.